Welcome to Corban's Fun Learning Adventures. Hi, welcome to Corban's Fun Adventures and Learning. I'm Corban, and that's Mommy holding the camera.
Hello.
And today we're going to be making a lava lamp. This is what you need. You need a container. You don't have to use a flask. And a funnel if you have one. A fizzy tablet or Alka Seltzer. Some food coloring, vegetable oil, and some water.
All right, ready to get started?
Yes, stay tuned.
All right, so right now Corban is going to pour the vegetable oil into the flask there, or in the funnel to get into the flask, about 4/5 of the container that you're using. So he's gonna go actually to like the 250 mark there.
That was a close one. Oh, it's a little past 250.
Okay, it's okay. All right, let's go to the next step. Okay, now Corban is going to pour the water almost to the top of the flask there.
It's gonna sit on top because oil and water don't mix.
Yep, that's correct. Oil and water, they do not mix. So almost all the way to the top.
That looks like.
Keep going.
It looks like it mixed.
Right.
Oh, I overflowed it.
It's okay, we could pour some out. All right. All right, you can kind of see here how the water sank to the bottom. It's this, lighter color there.
I'm gonna put the food coloring in, and it should sink to the bottom too.
Yep, so he's gonna put the food coloring in, just a few drops, and it should mix with the water.
No.
Okay, that's good. See how it's going to the bottom there? All right, that's good, Corban. All right.
Oh, did it stain me?
That's okay. Now we'll go to the next step. Okay, now Corban is going to put the Alka Seltzer or the fizzy tablets into the lava lamp, and we should see a reaction. Whoa, look at those bubbles! Whoa, so cool! Look at that! All right.
And once you're done, you can do it again.
Yes, once you're done, you can do it again. That's cool, look at that! You see the droplets there? It's not mixing with the oil. It's mixing with the water. So cool. Okay, so Corban has decided to put another fizzy tablet in there to see what happens. So go ahead. Let's see.
Whoa!
Same thing.
I thought it was not gonna.
Whoa!
Look at all that rain.
Yeah.
Rain, go away.
Very cool and very easy.
I want to do it again.
Looks like fire.
Oh yeah. Thanks for watching. Bye. Remember to subscribe and hit that big bell. Big giant bell, like a big explosion. Here, you see it?
Bye.
Bye.